Unlock the secrets to a vibrant life after 50. Why do some folks seem to defy time, staying sprightly and full of zest as they age, while others face uphill battles? It's a question that has intrigued us all. Today, my dear viewers, we're diving into the heartwarming topic of staying healthy and happy beyond 50. And guess what? We've got 3 fruity companions to guide us on this delightful journey. But before we peel back the juicy layers of these magical fruits, let's chat about the natural changes our bodies undergo as the calendar pages turn. Digestion dilemmas. Sometimes our tummies play hide and seek with our favorite foods. Digestion can be a tad tricky, like solving a fruity puzzle. Memory musings. Memories, oh sweet memories. They might not be as sharp as they once were. But fear not, my friends, our brain cells have their own dance party going on. Well-being whispers, pay attention, dear hearts. Our overall well-being deserves a standing ovation. Let's give it the love it craves. And now, drum roll, please. Let's meet our 3 fruity superheroes. Number 1, papaya. Papaya is like a superhero fruit that helps our stomach when it's feeling a bit off. As we get older, our digestion can sometimes be tricky, causing problems like irregular bathroom trips and trouble with certain foods. But fear not, papaya has a secret weapon called pepin. Pepin is like a superhero enzyme that breaks down proteins in our stomach, making digestion smoother and less troublesome. Whether you eat a few slices of papaya or the whole thing, you're giving your stomach the support it needs. But wait, there's more. Papaya isn't just about digestion. It's a nutritional powerhouse. It's packed with important vitamins like C, A, and E, plus minerals like potassium and folate. And here's a bonus. Papaya is also great for our eyes. The stuff in papaya, called carotenoids, turns into vitamin A, which is super important for good eyesight. As we get older, our immune system might need a boost. That's where papaya comes to the rescue again. It's loaded with vitamin C and other things that help our bodies stay strong and fight off illnesses. Plus, papaya has lots of antioxidants that fight against bad stuff in our bodies, keeping us healthy overall. And guess what? Papaya is easy to include in our meals. You can eat it by itself, blend it into a yummy smoothie, or toss it in a colorful fruit salad. So adding papaya to our routine is a smart move as we age. It's like a tasty way to take care of ourselves. Number 2, lemons. For those over 50, lemons are a great addition to the diet because they have several health benefits. To begin with, lemons are essential for controlling blood pressure. Packed in potassium, they aid in regulating the body's sodium levels, promoting normal blood pressure and lowering the risk of problems linked to elevated blood pressure, a crucial aspect of cardiovascular health. Lemons are also a superfood for the immune system, which tends to deteriorate with age. Lemons are a natural immune system stimulant because they are high in vitamin C and other immune-boosting ingredients that aid in the development of white blood cells and antibodies. The body needs this immune system reinforcement to fight against illnesses and infections that are frequently linked to aging. Lemons also excel in the area of digestive health. Digestion can become less effective with age, but lemons can help. Smoother digestion is facilitated by the enzymes and acidity found in lemon juice, which help break down food. This is especially helpful for older adults who are experiencing digestive issues. For older people, weight control is a common worry, and lemons provide a natural remedy. Lemons contain pectin, which increases feelings of fullness and reduces hunger. For people who want to control their weight without turning to rigorous diets or strenuous exercise, incorporating lemons into their daily routine becomes a straightforward yet effective technique. Lemons are also a powerful antioxidant. Packed with flavonoids, vitamin C, and other powerful antioxidants, these compounds are important in preventing oxidative damage to cells, which in turn slows down aging and lowers the risk of chronic illnesses linked to aging, like cancer and heart disease. Lemons become a useful ally for those over 50 since they have several health benefits, including regulating blood pressure, boosting the immune system, improving digestion, helping with weight control, and supplying powerful antioxidants. A tasty and easy strategy to support general health and good aging is to add lemons to your daily routine. Number 3, raisins. When it comes to leading a healthy lifestyle, complex superfoods frequently garner the most attention, but the humble raisin also deserves its due. These modest little sweets provide a lot of health advantages in addition to sweetening your appetite. Raisins are important when it comes to intestinal wellness. Because they contain a lot of dietary fiber, they function as a natural laxative to facilitate easy digestion. This extra digestive boost can be obtained by adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of raisins to your daily meals. You can also get an additional benefit by soaking or quickly cooking the raisins. Remarkably, raisins are beneficial for more than just digestion. A daily consumption of 3 to 4 tablespoons of raisins may help to boost memory function, as memory loss is a common problem as we age. This easy-to-make, delicious supplement can be a welcome ally in the continuous fight against age-related cognitive deterioration. Going on to heart health, raisins showed themselves to be a mighty combination of vital elements. Packed with antioxidants, potassium, and dietary fiber, they are essential for preserving cardiovascular health. Dietary fiber aids in the control of cholesterol levels, and potassium helps to sustain ideal blood pressure. Raisins are a great way to prevent heart problems because research even reveals that eating them regularly helps improve blood pressure regulation. In terms of bone health, raisins provide something special to the table. Packed with boron, a mineral that functions like a superhero, they help the body absorb calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all of which are necessary for strong, solid bones. This easy dietary supplement can offer significant assistance in maintaining the strength and resilience of your bones. Raisins also act as a natural defense against anemia, a frequent illness that causes lethargy and weakness. Rich in iron, they aid in the synthesis of hemoglobin, the protein that carries oxygen in red blood cells. Including raisins in your everyday diet makes avoiding and treating anemia a simple method. The fact that raisins are so versatile just adds to their charm. You may add them to your morning porridge, toss them into a cool salad, or just eat them by themselves as a snack. Because of their versatility, raisins may be incorporated into any diet and offer a flexible and varied option. Beyond just being delicious, raisins have several health benefits that can be incorporated into daily life. Raisins are a straightforward yet powerful approach to support your general health, whether they are assisting with digestion, improving memory, supporting heart health, boosting bone density, or preventing anemia. Thus, the next time you're craving a snack, think about having a handful of raisins instead. Your body will appreciate you in several ways. As we come to the end of our discussion of superfruits that can brighten your life after 50, keep in mind that growing older is an opportunity to feel amazing rather than merely a way to pass the years. Not only are papaya, lemon, and raisins fruits, but they'll be your allies along the way. Aim for them each day, take care of your health, and savor life's little pleasures. Please show your support by liking this video, joining our channel, and clicking the bell to receive notifications if you find this information useful. With your aid, we can communicate important information. I'm wishing you many years of happiness, health, and prosperity. Goodbye, and may your life beyond 50 be filled with joy and vitality till the next video.